Hi everyone, so today I'm going to be reviewing a interesting product that I got sent to me from the brand Michael Todd Beauty. And just full disclosure, I again was sent this product, but I definitely do not accept all offers of free product that I get, because not everything I think is worth reviewing or you guys would care to see. But I did think this was pretty interesting. Number one thing I want to address is the lighting in here. I am in a hotel room in Las Vegas, and I'm here for 6 nights, so I had to film in like a weird, not standard setup. So if the lighting is yellow or weird, I apologize. If you only saw the way that I'm holding up the camera right now, I have like towels, a tissue box, like it's crazy. Like I'm just waiting for this to topple over. So hopefully there's not like an earthquake or anything. But anyway, so today I'm going to be reviewing and demoing, testing out right now the sonicblend antimicrobial sonic makeup brush. So this again is by Michael Todd Beauty. I have not used anything from Michael Todd Beauty. I've heard of the brand only because I've seen other YouTubers use their stuff, but I've never purchased anything from them. So yeah, so it came in a box like this, and this is basically like a vibrating makeup brush, like foundation brush. And so it looks like this. It comes in a little case. Yeah, we're all thinking whatever we're thinking. But yeah, you open up the case and it has this like cheetah print handle. I don't know if they have other designs or if this is the only one, but it's pretty like large. I'm gonna show you compared to my regular foundation brush. So it's a little bit fatter and a little bit taller. This is the number, or the multitasker or whatever from Sephora. So you can see it's a little bit larger. It's not like ridiculous or anything, but it is big. I don't really know like the deal with this. Like, why do I need a vibrating makeup brush? First of its kind that applies makeup at sonic speeds of more than 400 times per second, has a built-in protection against microbial contamination, so it stays cleaner and fresher longer. Blah, 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 blah. Ideal for applying foundation, blush, contour, highlighter, so like every single thing. Effortlessly blends your favorite liquid or powder makeup. I'm gonna use it with liquid. I don't know about powder. Like for my powder, I just kind of press. Plus this just looks like a liquid foundation brush to me. This is the type of brush that I use for my liquid. Airbrush-like results every time. So it comes with a charger. Like it's got this thing that you could plug into your computer, like a USB, or you could plug it into like your block of your iPhone charger. So I don't know how long the battery lasts. I'll see if I can look that up in the directions. Okay, so just a couple of things. It says don't get the brush handle wet or immersed in water. Do not put it where it can fall into a tub or sink. So it's not waterproof. I'm thinking of like the Clarisonic that I do have and I do really like, but I think exfoliating your face is like a little different than putting foundation on. So it's not waterproof. Yeah, it's just basically telling you not to get electrocuted. Yeah, I don't know. So there's this whole little packet on the instructions and stuff. Now, I will say, I think this is going to be a good brush for my foundation because of the way it is. It's like a dense, soft brush that I would normally use for foundation. But I will say that I just think that because of the brush. Like, I don't know if I'm convinced that this being like vibrating is going to make a difference. So it has a little power button right here. And if you turn it on, you can hear it. It sounds like it's vibrating. Yeah, and you can see the brush, like you can see the difference for what oh, it has different settings. Oh my God. Wow. Wait, so it's literally like moving back and forth, and I can feel the vibration in the brush, so it's just kind of weird. Whoa, I think this is like the highest setting. You can see it like spinning around. Now how the heck do I turn this off? Maybe if I like hold it in. Okay, so I guess you hold in the power button to turn it on. I don't know. I guess I'll just start my foundation. So I'm going to be using the Kat Von D foundation. This is one of my favorite full coverage foundations that I wear just when I'm going out, usually to like the bar or whatever. So I'm just going to do a pump. I'm like scared that if I turn this off, it's going to splatter foundation on me, kind of. So, okay, it's not. Is the foundation vibrating? I guess. So I guess I just go in and like do what I would normally do, which is kind of like this patting / rubbing motion. It feels weird. Like it feels like I have to put more effort into actually moving the brush around my face. Ooh, it's creepy near the eye because you can feel it vibrating near the eye. So I'm in Las Vegas right now, and I'm actually going to dinner tonight at the Mandalay Bay. And if you have been living under a rock, or as long as you haven't been living under a rock, you'll know that that's where the Las Vegas, like the shooting happened a little bit ago. All right, side note, I'm gonna change the vibration pattern. So yeah, it's just kind of really creepy and eerie to be going there. That was such a horrible thing that happened. I just can't even believe it. I was in Vegas like the week before that on another work trip, which I'm on a work trip right now. And I don't know. It's just very eerie to me, and I just found that extremely, extremely sad, which obviously everyone else did. But anyway, just kind of weird. All right, so I'm gonna press this again. I don't know how many setting, like it seems like there's just two. Oh. Okay, the foundation just like moved off of the brush and fell a little bit. So, and it also was like falling into it. So just be careful. You don't want to get this all over, you don't want to get foundation all over your clothes or anything. So far, I feel like it looks the same as my foundation normally would, which I don't know if I'm just like being biased because that's kind of what I thought. So, I mean, my foundation looks good. I'm not gonna say it looks bad. So it definitely did not negatively impact me putting my makeup on, but I don't really get like what it's supposed to do. Like, is it supposed to just make my skin look smoother? Am I supposed to be able to use less product? So if I'm being completely honest, I will say that I think this is like gimmicky. I mean, let me just turn this off. If I could turn it off. So again, it's a good foundation brush, like it is, but I honestly don't even know how much this costs. I'm gonna Google it and put that right here and in the description box. So it says it has a 1-year warranty, but like what is it supposed to like do? Okay, so it says faster cosmetic application that allows you to use less makeup. That's not true. I did not use less makeup, and I did not put my foundation on any faster. I don't really know. It's not like I would have been able to just, you know, do one of these and sweep over my face and just do nothing. Like, I still was going to have to blend this in. Do you know what I mean? It was just vibrating. If anything, it was kind of weird. Provides an enjoyable, stimulating massage during application for additional anti-aging benefits. I don't know if this is going to be anti-aging. How is this vibrating brush going to give me anti-aging benefits? I don't really know. Let me just like use it a little without the vibrator on. Yeah, I don't know. Honestly, it looks the same as my foundation always looks. Looks good. So if you just want this vibrating brush for whatever reason, go for it because it's a good brush. But the vibrating aspect, I just don't know that it did much. And I don't know that I want to put on powder foundation with this. And I definitely don't want to put on bronzer with this. I feel that it's just not going to happen. But yeah, I mean, I guess that's kind of my review and opinion. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do the rest of my makeup. Yeah, I think this is not really worth the hype. I'm not gonna like give it a thumbs up or a thumbs down. I just think it like is what it is. It's kind of a cool idea, but I think it is a little gimmicky in terms of like sonic and vibrating and things like that. The Clarisonic is one thing because you're exfoliating your face and you're exfoliating your skin. But this is just putting product on my skin, so I don't really know the benefit. So if anybody has used this or is interested or has any other comments, let me know. I'd be curious to see what you think, because I have not looked up reviews on this. I haven't looked up anybody else's videos to see what they thought of it. This is all just my like blind opinion. I've never used it before. So yeah, a little bit anticlimactic. Better just to see my makeup, but I mean, it looks the same as usual. Yes, this foundation's a little too dark for me, but whatever. I just could not film over here doing the actual video and review because I needed a mirror, and so I had to do it in the bathroom. But yes, this is the natural light, so I feel like it looks normal, you know. And there's my view. You guys can see the Las Vegas Strip. Super cool.